Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Poloroid Filter 3-pack that contains the UV filter, the polarizer, and the fluorescent filter. Now I'm going to explain what all three of these filters do, but in the meantime, let's go check out the build quality. Now the build quality of most of these filters is very good. Yes, so as you can see, they are made of this very nice metal right here. It's probably aluminum, and then the obvious filter part right here. Now this filter that I have right here, I believe, yes, it is the fluorescent, and it says the fluorescent on the side, if you can see that. The camera just does not want to seem to focus. Yeah, so it says fluorescent on the side right there. These filters are very well made. Now the circular part of the circular polarizer is very well made. Now if you do not know what this does, pretty much the polarizer polarizes the clouds and water and such things like that. I will give you an example in a minute. But pretty much when you turn the ring, it gives you different effects. Like it changes where the polarization or the lens flare goes, so you can kind of distribute the lens flare equally. The polarizer ring is very well made. It slides really well. And it's just all around, the polarizer I think is the best made. Now I'm not going to show the UV filter in the set because I will give an example later. It doesn't really do anything. Now the baggie that they come in, like the little pouch that it comes with, is very well made. It is made of this kind of like jeans material almost. And when you flip it open, it obviously has 4 pockets, even though it only comes with 3 lenses. I think that's because if you have your lens cap right here, you can easily store that into another one of the pockets. As you can see, they also all come with plastic wrapping right there, but I got rid of my plastic wrapping for the polarizer and the UV filter because those are always on my camera. And the fluorescent one, I will give an example later. And it's just a very, very simple pack. It folds up neatly. I can throw it in my camera bag. It's really resistant. I actually dropped this one when I first got it, and the lenses inside were fine. Alright, so if you've been wondering what these filters actually do, I will explain. The UV filter, which is on here right now, which I'm not going to take off, used to filter out the UV rays for film cameras. Nowadays, they're just UV filters, but they don't do anything because cameras kind of have their own built-in technology. So the UV filter is just to protect your camera lens, which you will want. Next up, probably the most important one of them all, which is the polarizer. This is to make clouds and other things like water and the sun seem more vibrant. Yes, so as you can see, there is not a huge difference, but there definitely is a difference that helps you see like the clouds behind me better. And if you're trying to color correct later, like I know I will for this video, it definitely helps you with color correcting. Now, last but not least, probably actually least, is the fluorescent filter. Now, the fluorescent filter is only for when you're shooting indoors with fluorescent lights to get rid of that green haze. So when you put it on normally with no fluorescent lights, it kind of ruins the shot. And the first time that I actually got this lens kit, I put on the fluorescent thinking it was the polarizer, and I took like a whole bunch of pictures with them, and then I realized that it was the fluorescent, and I screwed up. So generally, if you're filming, you're just gonna wanna have your UV filter on and your polarizer, same for taking pictures. And now it is time to rate it with the Owen score. So for usability, does it do its job well? Yes, they're filters, they do its job well. So I'm just gonna have to literally give that a 9 out of 10. Next up, durability and material build quality. Are they built well? Yes, of course they're built well. It's just a piece of glass, and they also come with their own little plastic pouch or rubber pouch. So definitely gonna give it a 8 out of 10. And now relevancy, would you use them on your day-to-day life, taking pictures and videos? Yes, of course you would use them. I use mine. I use my camera every single day, and I use at least 2 or if not 3 of the filters every single day. So I'm just gonna have to give that a 10, making the second highest Owen score, I believe, ever, if not the 3rd highest. At 27 out of 30, which is I think that is the 2nd highest. So all in all, these filters are good, and you should get them. Make sure to subscribe somewhere on screen and help me out by subscribing and liking down below. I'm trying to get to 4,000 watch hours so I can hopefully apply for the YouTube Partners Program. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers too, so if you could please comment down below and subscribe, that'd be great. And see you next time.